Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of quality on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve quality on Roblox app, you should just go to settings, then we'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you can click on Roblox as you see. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.